Anyone can toss a mattress in a van and call it an adventure rig. But out here, where the pavement ends, where the weather turns, where every shortcut shows, only the real builds last. That's where we come in. At Titan Vans, we engineer for these moments. Every one of our vans are designed to be rugged, reliable, and easy to service, providing you with the confidence to stay out on the road longer. We don't just test in a shop, we get out there. We push our vans through the same conditions you could encounter: searing heat, freezing cold, high humidity, and rough terrain. Because we know better than anyone else that adventure isn't about getting there, it's about staying out there. Whatever the trip, whatever the journey, count on a van that is ready for all of it. Anywhere, anytime. Titan Vans. Freedom by design.